From time to time, someone will ask, how do I make a very thin mat? Well, you can do it, even though the Logan mat cutters will not cut smaller than 3/4 of an inch. Let's assume you want a 1/2 inch mat. I have here, this is a blank that is 11 by 14 on the outside, and it is 7 by 10 on the inside. This measurement on the inside is, in this particular case, my desired result. What I have to do is cut this all the way around so it leaves this only a 1/2 inch wide. Therefore, I have to cut 1.5 inches off the outside all the way around this mat. Here's the way we do it. Place the mat in the cutter. Now, I've gotten rid of the other cutters. In this case, we're going to use what we call the straight cutter. And I put this outside edge on 1.5, using this bar as the measurement. Then I take my straight cutter, hook it onto the mat cutter, and drag it down. The result is a 1/2 inch mat. I will do this all the way around. Make sure you line it up with the squaring arm. Make sure you hook this on. Now the mat is complete, 1/2 inch all the way around. And we have maintained the integrity of the inside opening as we wanted it when we started out.